We're going to learn how to create a brand new SSH key for our server. And what this is going to allow us to do is pull in our projects from either our Bitbucket or GitHub repos directly into our server so that they can be uploaded. So to get started, go ahead and go to the dashboard in your account, and we're going to go into tutorials. And we're just going to type in SSH key. How to set up an SSH key on Ubuntu 18.04. All right, go ahead and click that, and we're going to start from here, and we're just going to create our key. Now, what I want to do first before we create this key is, just like on our local machine, how we have that private directory for our SSH keys, I want to create the same thing here. So at our root level, we're going to create a new directory. So mkdir, and then we're going to do -p. I believe it's a tilde, then /.ssh. All right, go ahead and press enter. And then if we list it out, it shouldn't be there because it's private. However, if I do cd.ssh, haha, I'm in it. Okay, cool. So it created it. Excellent. Now that I'm in here, let's go ahead and create this key. All right, so we're going to start from step 1 here. SSH key gen. It's like a tongue twister. All right, and we're just going to name it this. This is fantastic. And I'm going to leave the passphrase empty on this, and it has generated our key for us. So now what? Now we want to copy the public key to the Ubuntu server. Okay, and we're not going to do it this way because it's not password protected. We're going to do it the manual way, which is going to be like this. So we can go ahead and copy this. And what I'm going to do here is, you can see in here we have this thing called authorized keys now. Okay, that's what we get when we generated this. I'm going to go into the root directory, because this command here is starting me at root. You can see that it's navigating me a directory into my SSH. So we're going to copy this. So I'm going to paste this, and there it is. So it pumped out my public key for the server. So now what I'm going to do is I want to take this key, this public key from our server, and I want to add that to my GitHub account. So let's copy that, and then go over to your GitHub or Bitbucket account. I'm using GitHub. I'm going to say return to GitHub, and then all you're doing is we're going to go into where we set up our SSH keys right here, and we just want to now add that public key from our server. So we'll just call this droplet SSH, and I'm going to paste in the public key, add the key, and there it is. So now what we've done is we can now, from our server, because this key, this fingerprint here, is authorized on my account, I can now go and pull any of my GitHub projects directly into my server because we've added my server's public key here. So pretty cool stuff. We're all set up. That is how you install an SSH